Chongqing, one of China's key centrally administered municipalities, is a city rich in history and culture while exuding modernity. It serves as the economic hub and transportation nexus of southwestern China and is also a beautiful, resource-rich tourist destination. Below is a detailed introduction of Chongqing from 6 perspectives: geographical location and climate, population and ethnicity, historical background, administrative divisions, cuisine, and attractions. Chongqing is situated in southwestern China, at the confluence of the Yangtze and Jialing rivers. It borders Hubei province to the east, Guizhou province to the south, Sichuan province to the west, and Shaanxi province to the north. Chongqing's geographical coordinates are 28 degrees 10 minutes to 32 degrees 13 minutes north latitude and 105 degrees 11 minutes to 110 degrees 11 minutes east longitude, with a total area of 82,400 square kilometers. Its unique location makes Chongqing a crucial link between eastern and western China. Chongqing has a subtropical monsoon climate, with distinct seasons. Spring is warm and humid, summer is hot and rainy, autumn is cool and pleasant, and winter is cold and damp. The annual average temperature is about 18 degrees Celsius, and annual precipitation is between 1,000 and 1,400 millimeters, mainly concentrated from May to September. Chongqing's climate is conducive to the growth of various crops and plants, and it provides an excellent environment for tourism. As of 2023, Chongqing has a permanent population of approximately 31 million. It is a multi-ethnic city primarily inhabited by Han Chinese, with significant populations of Tujia, Miao, Yi, and other ethnic minorities. This diversity adds rich social and cultural colors to Chongqing. Chongqing enjoys harmonious coexistence of multiple ethnic groups, and various cultural and festive activities provide vibrant life experiences for its residents. Events like the Chongqing International Hotpot Festival and Chongqing Beer Festival attract numerous domestic and international tourists every year. Chongqing's history dates back to the Ba state in the 11th century BCE. During the Warring States period, it became the capital of the Ba state and later a significant military and commercial center in southern China during the Qin and Han dynasties. During the Second Sino-Japanese War, Chongqing served as the wartime capital of the nationalist government, becoming a political and military center. Since the reform and opening up, Chongqing has rapidly developed into the economic and industrial center of southwestern China. In 1997, Chongqing was designated as a centrally administered municipality, marking the beginning of a new era of rapid development. Today, Chongqing is a significant economic, financial, logistics, and technological innovation center in southwestern China, showcasing immense developmental potential and vitality. Chongqing municipality consists of 26 districts, 8 counties, and 4 autonomous counties, each playing a unique role in the city's development. Yuzhong District is the core district of Chongqing, concentrating numerous commercial, financial, and cultural facilities, making it the commercial and cultural center of Chongqing. Jiangbei District and Nannan District are key residential and commercial areas of Chongqing, which have developed rapidly in recent years, becoming modern urban areas. Shaipingba District is the education and research center of Chongqing, hosting many universities and research institutions. Julongpo District and Deduku District are important industrial areas in Chongqing, home to numerous industrial parks and manufacturing enterprises. Yubei District is a vital development zone in Chongqing, dedicated to building high-tech industries and eco-friendly cities. Banan District is a significant residential and industrial area of Chongqing, also rapidly developing modern services and high-tech industries in recent years. Beibei District is an essential tourism and leisure area in Chongqing, rich in natural landscapes and tourism resources. Wanzhou District, Fuling District, and Qianjiang District are crucial transportation and logistics hubs in Chongqing, connecting Chongqing with the surrounding provinces. Changshu District and Jiangjin District are important agricultural and industrial areas in Chongqing, with abundant agricultural resources and industrial bases. Hechuan District, Yongchuan District, and Nanchuan District are significant economic development zones in Chongqing, achieving notable achievements in finance, logistics, and high-tech industries in recent years. Qijiang District and Dazhu District are essential agricultural areas in Chongqing, rich in agricultural resources and natural landscapes. Bishan District and Tongliang District are emerging development areas in Chongqing, committed to building high-tech industries and eco-friendly cities. Tongnan District, Rongchang District, and Liangping District are important agricultural and industrial areas in Chongqing, also developing modern services and high-tech industries in recent years. Kaizhou District is Chongqing's ecological protection and agricultural area, rich in natural resources and ecological landscapes. Wulong District is significant tourist areas in Chongqing, boasting rich natural landscapes and historical and cultural heritage. Chongqing's 8 counties are Chengkou County, Fengdu County, Dianjiang County, Zhong County, Yunyang County, Fengjie County, Wushan County, and Wuxi County. These counties play crucial roles in agriculture, tourism, and ecological preservation in Chongqing. Chongqing County is located in the northeast of Chongqing, known for its rich natural resources and unique ethnic culture. Fengdu County is famous for the Fengdu Ghost City, making it a key cultural tourism destination. Dianjiang County is an essential agricultural base in the city, known for its extensive farmlands and diverse agricultural products. Zhong County and Yunyang County, with their rich natural resources and long history, have become important agricultural and tourism areas in Chongqing. Fengjie County, located in the Three Gorges reservoir area, is known for its magnificent natural landscapes and rich cultural heritage, attracting many visitors. Wushan County and Wuxi County, located in the eastern part of Chongqing, are known for their beautiful mountainous scenery and abundant tourism resources, making them key ecological tourism destinations in Chongqing. Chongqing's 4 autonomous counties are Shizhou Tujia Autonomous County, Xiushan Tujia and Miao Autonomous County, Yuyang Tujia and Miao Autonomous County, and Pengshui Miao and Tujia Autonomous County. These counties are primarily located in the southeast of Chongqing and are home to various ethnic minorities. Shizhou County is famous for its unique Tujia culture and beautiful natural scenery. Xiushan and Yuyang counties are known for their rich Miao culture and diverse ethnic customs, making them important ethnic cultural tourism areas in Chongqing. Pengshui County is an important agricultural and ecological preservation area in Chongqing, with rich natural resources and unique ethnic culture. Chongqing's 26 districts, 8 counties, and 4 autonomous counties each have their own distinctive characteristics, together forming a diverse landscape in this mountainous city, laying a solid foundation for Chongqing's modernization. Chongqing's culinary culture is unique and deeply influenced by Sichuan cuisine, with the main cuisine being Yu cuisine, known for its spicy and flavorful taste. Chongqing's hotpot is especially famous for its numbing and spicy flavor, attracting countless food lovers. Chongqing hotpot uses beef tallow, chili peppers, and Sichuan peppercorns as main seasonings, with a rich and spicy broth and a wide variety of ingredients, beloved by locals and tourists alike. Xiaomian, small noodles, is another traditional Chongqing dish, known for its spicy and savory taste and rich toppings. Chongqing xiaomian uses noodles as the main ingredient, seasoned with red oil, Sichuan peppercorns, scallions and other seasonings, with a smooth and flavorful texture, making it a classic breakfast choice for Chongqing people. Mao Shui Wang is a famous Yu dish made with duck blood, tripe, and eel as the main ingredients, seasoned with lots of chili peppers and Sichuan peppercorns, with a numbing and spicy flavor, making it a favorite home-cooked dish for Chongqing people. Suan La Fun, sour and spicy noodles, is a refreshing and appetizing snack made with sweet potato noodles, seasoned with a sour and spicy broth and various seasonings, offering a tangy taste and a common street snack in Chongqing. Laziji, or spicy chicken, is a classic Chongqing dish made with chicken pieces stir-fried with a generous amount of chili peppers and Sichuan peppercorns. It has a spicy, crispy texture and is a beloved traditional food in the region. Wanzhou grilled fish, another popular Chongqing specialty, features grilled fish topped with chili peppers and Sichuan peppercorns, offering a rich and savory taste that is highly cherished by locals. Chongqing, as a historic and cultural city and a modern metropolis, has numerous natural and cultural attractions, making it an ideal travel destination for tourists. Hongyedong is a famous landmark in Chongqing, located by the Jialing River. Its unique stilt house architectural style and night view are mesmerizing for tourists. Jifangbai is Chongqing's commercial center and one of the city's landmarks, making it a great place for shopping and entertainment. Sikiku Ancient Town is a well-preserved ancient town, rich in historical and cultural heritage and unique folk customs, making it an excellent place to understand Chongqing's history and culture. Wulong Karst National Geology Park is one of Chongqing's natural landscapes, boasting spectacular karst landforms and rich natural resources, making it a great place for hiking and sightseeing. Dazu Rock Carvings is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its exquisite stone carvings and rich Buddhist culture, making it an ideal place for art and religion enthusiasts. The Three Gorges on the Yangtze River is an important natural landscape of Chongqing, featuring magnificent gorges and rich historical and cultural heritage, making it an excellent choice for cruise sightseeing. Chongqing Zoo showcases a wide variety of animal species, making it an ideal destination for family tourists. Nanshan Botanical Garden is Chongqing's natural scenic area, featuring beautiful mountain and water landscapes and rich natural resources, making it a great place for hiking and sightseeing. In summary, Chongqing's attractions are diverse, ranging from historical and cultural sites to modern cityscapes, offering enjoyment for both history and culture lovers and modern urban explorers. Chongqing not only showcases the achievements of China's reform and opening up but also demonstrates the prosperity and innovation of a modern metropolis, providing endless exploration and experience opportunities for tourists.